Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. I'm live in my account here, and down the right hand side it says my commissions, taking me to a total of $245.60 with OLSP system. More importantly in this video, this particular product is called Megalink, and with the Megalink you can promote one link and earn up to 7 income streams. The link in the description will give you access to a free video tour where you can come here and you can meet the owner, Wayne Crowe, owner and creator of the OLSP system. And in this short 10-minute video, Wayne will give you an overview of exactly what the Megalink is and how he wants to help you start to earn commissions and become successful online with his coaching and mentoring. And what I want to do now is just show you some proof of commissions, and then I'm going to show you exactly how this system works. So let's show you some multiple income streams that come with this product. So I'm live in my commissions here, and I'm going to go right back to the beginning of my journey, which was on December the 6th. And in this column here, so this is the amount, $7. So that's 100% commission with Megalink. Now, in this column here where it says offer, you're going to see multiple products. So this one here is called Mega Messenger, and that one there earns you a $10.80 commission. Let's go on to the previous page, and you'll see another product. So you'll see Mega Messenger again at $10.80. You'll see lots of Megalink, 100% commissions at $7. And another one here is called List Building and Magic Link. So that's another product within the funnel. Go to the next page. You'll see some more list building and magic link here. Some more Megalink. So as we go through here, Magic Link is a different product, so I'm going to do some other videos on that, and I'm also going to do some other videos on these ones here, these 25-cent ones. So this is where you can comment on Facebook posts and you can earn commissions just for writing comments. So I'm going to do some videos on that as well. It's a great way to just to top up and earn even more commissions with this system. So I want to show you a couple of things here that are really important, because Wayne Crowe, owner and creator, he really excels with his system. The reason the members are having a lot of success is due to the training that's in the members area, but also the weekly live trainings that he does as well. If you decide to join us, I recommend the first thing you do is come and come and watch these two videos here. They're both free. How I made 10 million in commissions, because Wayne's been online for 15 years. And this one here, the 100 commission hack. So two superb trainings there. You just click access product there to be able to watch those videos. I'll come to more training shortly. I want to show you now how simple this system is to use. Nothing hard, nothing technical about it. All you've got to do is just one thing, and I'm just going to show you exactly how that works now. And I'm going to show you the superb value that you get from this system. So this is a training. When you join Megalink, you'll see here, this is the Megalink training. There's 5 or 6 videos here. So the first thing you do, don't get overwhelmed if you're brand new by all these boxes, because I'm going to show you here you'd have to be concerned with. 98% of this. Let me just show you over here. So Wayne's drawn a line down here. This is a training that he does on how the system works. And you'll see he's drawn a line down here in his training. This line's really important because everything to the left of the line is all you're concerned with. Just those two boxes there. That's all you've got to be concerned about, is these two boxes here. So let's just get our... So when you join, top right hand corner here, when you join, you get a Megalink. It's just an affiliate link that you just copy and paste and promote. And then that's your Megalink there. Now what happens is you've only got one thing to do, just one thing. And that is to learn how to drive traffic. He calls it people or traffic. How to drive traffic. That's all you've got to do, is drive traffic to your Megalink. That's it. That's all you've got to do. And he will even, there's training in the members area already for you to start learning on how to drive traffic. And then the training over here. So everything on the right hand side of this line, everything over here is where the magic happens. This is completely 100% done for you system. And for the value of a one-time $7, the value is absolutely superb. So he's going to train you on how to drive traffic to your Megalink. And then what happens is everything on the right hand side of this line over here is a complete 100% done for you funnel. And it really is done for you, because what happens is, first of all, it gives you a squeeze page, lead capture page, this one here. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create, your Megalink will go to this page here. When your prospects put their email address in there, then they go onto an email list here. They go onto an email list. And then what happens is, on the email list, Wayne and his team will send out emails for you. So you don't have to pay a monthly autoresponder subscription. This is completely done for you. And then they'll send out on autopilot, they'll send out emails for you. And if anybody buys, then they'll carry on sending emails for life. They become your customer for life. So what's within those emails? Within those emails are offers. And there's low ticket offers. There's medium ticket offers. There's monthly recurring payment offers, so you can earn a residual income. And he's also promoting high ticket offers. Now these are all his own products that he's created, so he knows that they convert because he's spent a lot of money and a lot of time creating his own product range. So when anyone within your emails and those offers within those emails is your affiliate link, he's promoting you and your affiliate link. And if anybody buys, at the bottom end of the funnel, what happens is you earn commissions. So lots of boxes, lots of circles. If you are brand new, don't get overwhelmed, because it's very, very simple. You've only got one thing to do, like you've got to do if you join any affiliate marketing program. You've got to learn how to drive traffic. Now, it gets even better, because down here in the bottom left-hand corner, he's created a Facebook group. So he not only prides himself and excels on training in the members area, weekly live trainings, question and answer trainings. He also has a support community with a Facebook group of 142,000 members. So you're going to get all the help and support that you need. You're not going to be on your own. You're going to have all the help and support you need. Wayne's very active within the Facebook group himself. and there's lots of new people in here just starting to earn their first commissions and becoming successful online. And there's lots of experienced affiliate marketers and OLSP System members. I've been a member for quite some time, and they will help you with any help that you need. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So I'm just going to go through the income disclaimer. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just showing you what works for me and other members within the OLSP system. And we've all got an equal opportunity to join OLSP system, become a member, and also promote as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. And that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer your questions. I also put my email address there in the description. I recommend you just click the link in the description and just watch this video here by Wayne. Come and meet Wayne Crowe. He's really on a mission to help people succeed online, and he's doing a fantastic job in that process. So come and meet Wayne, and he'll give you an overview here of what the Megalink and OLSP system is all about. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.